If you are familiar with VPN protocols, you've probably come across SoftEther at some point. However, if you're not, SoftEther is a free open source VPN software. It was initially developed at the University of Tsukuba as a master's project. However, it was released to the public in 2014. There are two sides to SoftEther. On one end, there is the SoftEther VPN protocol, which secures client-to-server communications while also providing high-speed connections. And on the other side is the SoftEther VPN server, which allows you to use several VPN protocols such as SoftEther, IPsec, OpenVPN, L2TP IPsec, and SSTP. SoftEther uses its proprietary SoftEther bridge to facilitate client-to-server and site-to-site communications. It is very secure and uses military-grade AES-256 encryption and as well as the RSA 4096. These encryption keys are some of the best in use and are considered uncrackable. SoftEther also supports RSA certificate authentication and IPv4 and IPv6 dual stacking. Its security features prevent several threats, such as man-in-the-middle attacks. The protocol is capable of bypassing firewalls with SSL VPN tunneling through HTTPS to ensure you remain anonymous online. Interestingly, SoftEther doesn't use static IP addresses. Instead, it uses its built-in dynamic DNS and NAT transversal functions. And what it also offers is the ability for SoftEther VPN server to run on just about any computer that has internet access, even if the public IP address assigned by the ISP is dynamic and keeps changing. Users will stay connected. There are many great advantages of SoftEther that had made it my pick, but I'll mention three that I consider very important to me, which I think should be important to you too. Number one, it has superb firewall bypassing ability. Firewalls and server administrators can detect and block VPN connections, depending on the kind of port the VPN protocol uses. However, SoftEther uses port 443, which is the same standard port for HTTPS that websites and applications worldwide depend on, which gives it the ability to get past firewalls without being detected as VPN traffic or blocked. Number two, high-speed connections. It is common to find out that certain VPN protocols are slower because of their levels of security. However, that is not the case with SoftEther. The protocol remains very fast despite its robust security system. SoftEther's throughput can reach speeds of up to 900 Mbps, which is a lot faster than PPTP and OpenVPN. Number three, and actually the most important, is security. SoftEther offers some of the best security systems through encryption and authentication processes. So far, none of its processes have been cracked or manipulated, making its connections very secure. There is something essentially interesting about SoftEther. It makes the rather tedious task of paying for, setting up, and configuring an OpenVPN server very easy. As secure as OpenVPN might be, some people avoid its deployment because of the associated complexities. SoftEther, as we will soon explore, has OpenVPN functionality built in by default. And once enabled, you can enjoy the same robust functionalities of OpenVPN protocol and with an improved speed, being a way lighter design. In the next video, we're going to get started with setting up a VPS, and then we can set up our first SoftEther based VPN server that users can connect to.